Hi guys, I'm Natasha. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. If you have been here before, then welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's vlog. I'm vlogging today. It's Sunday. I wanted to film like a kind of like a chill Sunday vlog kind of concept. So I'm filming that. But before that, I have like stuff to do. I have to upload this video of when you are a fan of Mostly Sane. So if you haven't watched that video is going to go up before this one. If you haven't watched that video, please go and watch it. It took a huge amount of time to film that video, and like editing was kind of like easy, but filming was so tough, so tough. So yeah, if you enjoyed that video, then please like it as well, share it, because I hope it could reach Prajakta. Yeah, also I think I have some stuff to do. I want to create like a Halloween look. Is it, first of all, clear me, like what is it? Is it Halloween or is it Halloween? Because people say that it is named as like Halloween, but it's pronounced as Halloween. But I have seen people saying it Halloween. So like, what is the truth? Please tell me, yaar, because I don't want to be like a fool pronouncing something wrong. Like, the second thing that I want to complain about is whenever I film, my teeth look so yellow. I think it was like the vlog only जो मैंने film किया था, and I said that my teeth are not yellow, they just look like it. Also, my eyebrows are like not visible in camera, never. Like बहुत ही छोटा, like not छोटा, बहुत कम दिखते हैं वो कैमरा में. I don't know why. That was like I wanted to share something from the bottom of my heart, so I shared it with you. I think I should like finish this uploading thing, otherwise I'll get confused. So I'll see you once I have like uploaded it, और फिर खाली thumbnail I have to upload. So yeah, catch you up later. Hi. So I look like, I don't look, I know, I'm trying to do a Halloween look, but I'm like very confused. Oh, should I go like this? Is this scary enough? So my inspiration is this, like these. I'll just put up a picture of what I'm trying to do, and let's see if I can do it. I hope I can. These are like my flicks, so I'm going to keep them like that and like make two ponies side में and then make my look. So first, okay, now don't judge my clip, क्योंकि ये बाहर भी यही है. So I'm just going to like clip this अभी के लिए इधर, and I'm just going to quickly make my two ponytails and then see you after I made them. I think I should go like this. This is scary enough. So I want to show you how I'm looking. I'm like not done much, just made my hair, and I'm looking very crazy. So don't judge, okay? Oh god, like what have I done to myself? Like I don't know how to manage my legs. तो वो तो बकवास ही दिख रहा है. But I think other than that, I have done like a good job. Also, coming to point out like the mistakes, I don't know how to partition my hair. Rubber band मैंने जानबूझ के अलग-अलग कलर्स के डाल दिया है. Am I looking scary? Am I looking idiot? Yes. So I think now that I have my hair, I am going to do like other. I feel so school girl. Miss School. Just school friends, not school actually. I don't know if I want to paint it or no, or because I don't want to use eyeshadow on my face, but I want to use paint. Wow. So we'll see what to do. My inspiration right now, what I'm thinking is, I'm Mridul Sharma. So as you can see, she has created like a flame sort of like in her eyes, and I'm going to do that with like my lips going like stitches and stuff. I know it's not going to go as I have planned it, but I'm going to try my best to do it. So yeah, I'll catch you up once I have a little bit progress on me. Okay guys, so I did something to my face. Are you ready for like the reveal and stuff? Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh shit, like camera पे तो it's not even like showing the color, but I think I've done a good job. Like, it's kinda scary, like kinda. Like, the transformation that I want to do is pretty successful. Okay, so this is how the look looks. This is how the look turned out. यहाँ पे ज़रा लाइटिंग बराबर आ रही है, सामने इतनी अच्छी नहीं. So this is how the look looks. If you want to see the reels and like the pictures, follow me on Instagram. This is my Instagram handle. Please go and. Hi guys, so I'm in my parents' room and I was like chilling and I saw that my video is uploaded. So I am putting that on my story, Instagram story, for the first time. And now I am so nervous because more people are going to see my story. So let's hope for the best. By the way, this is the story that I made. So I'm going to post this. Share. It's done. It's done. No going back. No going back. Everything is going to be fine. I don't know if I'll be shooting the IGTV. I want to, but don't know if I will. Hey guys, so right now I'm in my room and my hand is paining by holding this phone. So I wanted to come and like clean my room. Thoda sa. It's not because my bed is a mess, my desk is a mess, everything is a mess right now in my room because I was filming video yesterday. So that's why it's like in a mess, and my desk got messed up today because of that Halloween stuff that I was filming. Now I have to clean all of that. So I just hate cleaning it every second day, but I have to, otherwise how am I going to live here? And then after I finish cleaning my room, I think तब तक 9 बज जाएंगे, and at 9 I am going to watch Big Boss. And after watching Big Boss, like while watching Big Boss, I'm going to edit this video which I'm filming right now. Before that, I want to show you how my room looks right now, and then I'll like just do a transition and then it will be clean and stuff. So I'll just show you how it looks right now. So I'm entering in my room. ये देख लो, नीचे देख लो क्या गंद मचा हुआ है. This is not supposed to be here. And this is my bed. Like, can you see this thing? What is this, Natasha? And I think I should clean this also a little bit. I don't know. And my desk. This is my tripod, by the way. और वो भी 2 try. I have to like fix this because this is coming out again and again. And yeah, ये इसमें से all the water that was in it fell down, and like I have to clean it, and my lipstick is down. Like, what the hell is happening? So I have to clean all of this stuff now. And yeah, I'll just see you after I finish doing that. Finished cleaning my room right now. You saw how it looks. It looks really good, but now not gonna do it till 1 week. Bus. I am so overwhelmed by cleaning this stuff. Big Boss शुरू हो चुका है. अब हम जा रहे हैं Big Boss देखने. Then I think I need food and then edit because my phone is still charging. So right now it's 11:10 and I was watching Big Boss and then I was like doing time pass, but now I want to edit a little bit. And I'm going to like try to edit on KineMaster. I am like very comfortable with InShot. काफ़ी अच्छा ऐप है, but InShot में you don't have that option of split screen. KineMaster में है, but like I don't need split I don't need split screen for this video, but I'm still like going to try and like attempt of editing on it. So let's see if I am able to succeed or not. I think I'll edit till 11:30, 11:45 and then like sleep.
She calls me day and night. I'm sorry girl, you just don't make me feel right. I never meant to make you cry.